Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video guys, I am going to teach you on how to upload video from YouTube to Facebook. So here we go. First thing you need to do is go to your YouTube app, then search the video you wanted to download. Like for example, Duterte. Then options will appear. Click the three dots beside the video. Then copy the link. After copying the link, let's go to Google. Search save from. When it's appear, let's just paste the copied link, then download. I guess internet is having trouble, so let's just wait for a minute. Then let's check our file manager if it's already downloaded. So there you go, it's been downloaded. So let's go to Facebook app. Just tap on the photo because videos will appear here too. There you go. So I hope guys this can help you on how to upload video from YouTube to Facebook. Don't forget to subscribe guys, and please click the bell icon below so that you will be notified on my next upload. So there you go, the video has been uploaded. So and I find it easy guys. Thank you so much for watching.